Making money online is now a feasible and accessible alternative for individuals all around the globe, including in Pakistan, thanks to the current digital era. Pakistanis may generate money online, from turning a hobby into a business to providing various freelancing services. Top earning skills: make music. Unleash your creative harmony with Make Music, where melodies come alive. Become a virtual assistant. Embrace the freedom of virtual assistants and unlock your limitless potential. Write a book. Discover the power of words as you embark on an unforgettable journey through the pages of your imagination. Offer freelance services. Transform your passion into profit with freelance services tailored to your unique expertise. Market your skills. Unleash your potential. Captivate the world. Market your skills for boundless opportunities. Share your internet bandwidth. Maximize connectivity. Empower collaboration. Share your bandwidth. Bridge the digital divide. Get paid for your daily habits. Turn everyday routines into rewarding habits. Get paid for living your best life. Take surveys. Shape opinions. Earn rewards. Take surveys and make your voice count. Take part in a focus group. Join the conversation. Shape the future. Make an impact with focus groups and be heard. Sell handmade products crafted with passion, cherished by others. Sell your handmade treasures and inspire hearts. Sell textile designs. Weave your artistic vision. Ignite fashion trends. Sell your textile designs and make your mark. Market your design work. Design beyond boundaries. Captivate the world. Market your creative brilliance and leave a lasting impression. Take your designs to the next level. Elevate your designs. Unleash your creativity. Take the leap to the next level and redefine possibilities. Create and sell an app. Innovate, code, thrive. Create and sell your app to revolutionize the digital landscape. Do online tutoring. Illuminate minds. Empower learners. Become an online tutor and shape the future, one lesson at a time. Offer consulting services. Unlock potential. Drive success. Offer expert consulting services and guide businesses to new heights. Create and sell a course. Share knowledge. Inspire growth. Create and sell your transformative course and empower eager learners. Start a blog. Unleash your voice. Inspire minds. Start a blog and share your unique perspective with the world.